Hello. Good evening. Welcome back to our channel. In today's show, we are going to start on the drop top, the convertible roof. We are also still rubbing down and getting ready for another coat of paint. Not having a paint booth does make it a bit more tricky. And we are finishing the floor in this video. Stay tuned, guys.
I don't know about the inside.
I think the insides are right.
Right, so we're trying to get the soft top fitted. Well, three fitted. And it still needs two outside. Eh? Drive it out. Can you move your bike a little bit more forward? Let it warm up. Put it closer to the garage or in the corner there. Fiddling with a soft top because we still need to make some more wood bits for it. It's the biggest back window you've ever seen, eh? It's easier to walk around it. We need to get it out anyway. We have load shedding. Plop, 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 plop. I don't know if it's running out of petrol or what. Let it warm up, let it warm up.
Dog clips or something, we can just put a clip here.
So that's, yeah, but you see, this is the point. Now down here, once the window is in, this is a telltale thing. This goes underneath here somehow, which holds this. So this piece of wood we need to make, and the outer goes onto that as well. You check.
Yeah.
There's the telltale. I haven't got my glasses on now, but it's definitely on the other one. Yeah. That's the idea. But now, then that means there's still something missing on here. There must be another piece of wood on here.
Yeah, well, that's an easy
Because that
piece.
one then stops. On top, over the, underneath.
The third one here, you see, there's this one.
Yeah.
No,
It goes.
underneath it, yeah, Milky.
How do you know it goes underneath? Oh.
This is the inside lining.
And then these things. That doesn't quite make sense.
No, I didn't know what these were.
These go here. These go here.
This one, they hold these ones. They, in front they hold this one. When you fold those ones here, they put a strap on this one. I think these two.
There must be another. There must be another piece of wood. You see that goes on here, and then that's the inner lining.
Those when they come here and there.
Okay, but we've still got more stuff here, which is all this stuff here. Is this still not another lining?
Yeah, that one is another lining.
This is the front piece of the lining here. You see,
When you open here.
that's the front piece of the lining, so that gets attached with that. Pull there, Gerald.
Underneath here.
Yeah. That's it. Just put it on top. Just put it on top for now. It doesn't matter. We're figuring this out.
Maybe, Gerald, let's go soon.
Okay.
Maybe this. Yeah, because these two things must allow
It
the
goes-
bar or something.
No, look here. It goes over it because there are holes here.
Oh, that's too short. No, we had it right the first time.
Hang on. It goes to the front because that's the section to the front. So whatever piece is here in the front, I'm holding it here.
Yeah, but look how much room we've got here. Huh?
There. Yeah. Hold it at the right at the back, pull it to the back. I think it goes something like
I
that.
think we turn it around again.
We need that piece of wood that goes in the front here now.
Maybe start on the front here.
Yeah, if this is going all the way to the front, then
That
that's
makes sense.
right,
That makes sense.
that
Yeah,
then
because we've got
fits.
those. Okay.
Then
This is
how
just
is
loose. This is just loose, and it's attached here. And it's attached to this. So there is another piece of wood that's missing here.
Yeah,
This
there it goes there.
You see, there's countersunk holes here.
It's probably this thick. And it just
Countersunk
follows the
holes here
line.
and follows that line. So that you need to make.
That's fine.
That you need to make. Okay, and this one here, there's other pieces that go on here. Hang on. I think I've got them. Let me just go stop the video. Just go fetch it there in the thing. No, it finishes here. I think we've got that piece here. But, yeah. How do you know that this belonged on here?
Because I take it off of that. And all of these holes line up to these.
Okay. So that makes sense. Let me see that. I think... weird.
No, this isn't it. See, that's the screwing into something. This
So
is
I think we must get a
something-
piece of chalk. This must go up to here, but it's...
It's right on top here.
This? No, you see it's screwing into another piece of wood.
Not like that.
With some...
I don't know, we'll figure it out.
So this here now is important. We've got to make a piece of wood that comes all the way around and probably up to... Well, let's have a look. It looks like it goes all the way there.
That you should see in the pictures.
Well, there's a picture in the catalogue. But okay, so we know that was my biggest concern now, this piece of wood. And I think it gets screwed all the way through the metal
Yeah.
into the bottom piece of wood. That's why there were so many holes over here. You see? And then these, okay, well, these are also important because obviously the top
Something
was,
attaches to there.
well, the side piece,
yeah.
the hood itself will go onto here. And that's a bit fraught. We can't, that you need to,
that has to be
you've
remade.
got the
We've
wood
got
for
to
that
do
wood,
for that,
yeah. So then, that's going to be interesting. I mean, we can carry on flattening that and spraying that, but you see, how are we going to do this now? You got to make a template: 1 curve, 2 curves, 3 curves. You check. That's what I say. You may have to do that here.
We've got some masonite.
Yeah, we got to make this somehow. All right. Well, we don't need the soft top on that anymore. Now, we figured this out. We need to get that front section. Yeah. And I think now while we've got power, let's carry on inside there now.
A pencil, please.
I'll get a pencil somewhere. Hang on. Or a pen. Okay, so making templates with a piece of wood that's going to go on here. And the boys are making fillets, finishing off the floor. Yeah. Okay, you got it. Okay. I think that's fine, Joe. Finishing off the floor, fillet pieces made out of wood. In the corner there. And same happening on this side. Somebody's phone's ringing. And then we can finish off the floor, thank God. Cool, cool. Finishing off the floor here. Piece of wood in the corner there. There we go. Right, so basically we've got that mechanism now to fit, and it'll have to be some sort of a board underneath here, like a parcel tray, so it folds properly into that, eh? That's amazing. Okay, and then we finished the floor eventually now. Put Phillip pieces in the side, we're going to put mastic in there still. So that's all looking tidy. Tunnel is also in, but we now need to still get the accelerator cable in. I mean the speedo cable. So that's looking sweet, man. Another day gone. Jeez, today. Another day gone. So we're almost now there, so we know where everything is and we can flatten it and give it a final coat. Looking cool. Chrome's all gone. These bits that are on here were quite good still. We've exchanged the spare radiator for the other one that's gone away. And yeah, finished painting now. And then we can start fitting up slowly. Then it gets really interesting because the electrician's got to come and put the dashboard in and everything else. These bits we're going to make new. And the back is now prepped for the piece of wood which Anthony's going to make, where the soft top then attaches to all the way around here. We made templates today for that. So cool, all great. You can now see that it's gonna be sexy. The wheels is another issue. Anyway.
And that is it for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for joining the show. I hope you enjoyed it. Click on the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and comment. Until next time, cheers.